Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, traction control, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.